Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to download your own YouTube video thumbnail from your computer. So let's go to the tutorial. First I will go to my channel dashboard. Please make sure that you are in login to your YouTube account or Gmail account and go to your channel dashboard and then go to your content page. You have to wait for few seconds to fully load this page, and if I want to download this video thumbnail, just I will right click on the pen button and click on the open link in new tab. It's my video details, and now I will scroll down a little bit, and from the under the thumbnail section you are clearly seeing that my custom thumbnail. As I want to download my custom thumbnail, just I will click on the three dotted vertical icon and then click on the download option, and now my full thumbnail is opened in a new tab, and I will just right click on the mouse button and click on the save image as, and I will save this thumbnail in my desired location and click on the save button. Yes, my thumbnail has already been downloaded. I will click on the show in folder, and yes, it is my thumbnail which I have already downloaded, and its YouTube default thumbnail default size is 1280 and 720 pixel, and its correct dimension. And you can download your thumbnail in this method according to the YouTube thumbnail dimensions. So it's is a little tutorial. If you find this tutorial is really helpful, please click on the like button, and goodbye.